you're experiencing an installation loop with Call of Duty, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Restart your system. Begin by restarting your gaming console or PC. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the installation loop. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can disrupt the installation process, so consider resetting your router if necessary. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, navigate to the settings and clear the cache. On a PC, you can do this by locating the game files and deleting any temporary files. This helps remove any corrupted data that may be causing the loop. Step 4. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps haven't worked, uninstall the game completely and then reinstall it. This can help fix any installation issues by starting fresh with the latest version of the game. Step 5. Update system software. Make sure that your gaming console or PC has the latest software updates installed. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues, so check for updates and install them before attempting to install the game again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop and get back to playing Call of Duty. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.